I remember coming to Sean in about 2018 to get a car. And we looked at my credit score, and and it was a 505. Sean took my credit score from a 505 to a 700 in about a year and a half. And it wasn't necessarily what he did, which that helped a lot too. We did some disputes, we did some inquiries, but the biggest thing was the knowledge that he kind of gave me. You know, I didn't really know anything about credit, and I didn't really care about credit, to be honest. He took it, instilled it into my brain that it was extremely important, and then gave me the tools that now I can maintain my credit by myself, and I'm at a 700, and I'm on my way to 720, 750. My goal is an 800 now. And you know, he helped me out with that, and I thank him greatly. I mean, that's why I'm here. You know, that's why I rock for him and Prepare Credit. I think everyone should definitely hit him up if you need help with your credit. If you don't understand why it's important, it's very important, and he'll help get you there right. Trust me, man. That's my guy. He changed my life for the better. You know what I mean? I go into a store now, and I'm not afraid to get a credit card, and I'm not afraid to get my credit ran, and shoot, I got a dope car, and yeah, I get whatever I want because I got a nice credit score.
That's my boy.